So welcome back to another Blizzard unboxing. This is the Witch's Oracle by Stephanie Kerr, I think is how you say her last name. I'm always butchering people's last name, I'm sorry. So maybe I've said before, probably a million times, but my favorite, most used deck is the Rider-Waite Centennial deck, and it didn't start out that way. I wasn't really super fond of this deck, but then I realized how useful this tin is, and so this ends up just being my deck that goes everywhere with me, and grew on me, and is now my favorite deck because I can just throw it in my purse, throw it in my suitcase. It goes in the car with me. I don't have to worry about it getting damaged or sun bleached, that kind of thing. So then I kind of wanted to start looking for decks, other decks like Oracle decks or Lenormand decks that came in tins. So far, this is the only Oracle deck that I could find that came in a tin. It's small, like these are regular playing card size, and it's smaller than those ones. So they are abnormal sized, but I like weird sized cards. And then more importantly, I can just take this with me. So these two decks, because they come in tins, are more durable, travel with me and get more use than my other cards because I wouldn't want anything to happen to them. So decks in tins are cool. I don't know, I completely lost my train of thought, but I will flip this camera around and we will go through this really neat little Oracle deck here. Okay, so this is the Witch's Oracle by Stephanie Kerr. It comes in this neat little tin. The cards are they're very small. So they're smaller than even like a regular deck of like playing cards. So the backs of them I think are awesome. They're kind of dark, but I really like, or I wish that like the eye was darker or something easier to see. So these are meant to be read intuitively, but you can download, there is a guidebook that you can download and print off from the website. And then these are just extra art cards.